Today, we're talking about a wild idea, that history is actually the best way to see the future. It all starts with three basic questions, like a security guard might ask. First up, who are you? Then the second one, where are you from? This is really all about your past, your history. And the last one, where are you going? But you can't answer that without knowing the one before.
That's it, right there. History is the real futurology. It's our map for what's ahead.
Okay, but whose history are we talking about? I mean, take this old quote. What is China anyway?
Exactly. That quote uses a very narrow definition. In reality, China is a super dynamic, complex system.
To really get it, you have to look at how all these different parts have shaped each other.
So if a place is that complicated, what about history itself? Is it just, memorizing dates?
Not at all. Facts are just the raw material. Think of them like a big pile of bricks. The meaning we find in those facts, well, that's the blueprint. It tells you what to build.
Like an emperor gets overthrown. Same fact, but depending on your blueprint, it's a totally different story.
Whoa, so you're saying we all have these invisible blueprints in our heads filtering everything?
Precisely. There's this incredible true story about a man blind his whole life who got his sight back.
His eyes could see light and color, but his brain didn't have a blueprint to organize that chaos.
He actually had to touch objects first. That's how his brain built a model to finally perceive.
So that's what a mental blueprint is. It's a preset cultural model that helps us make sense of things.
Yep, that's the process. Raw data hits our blueprint and boom, that creates our perception of reality. And this is why history is so powerful. It gives us the tools to actually redraw our own blueprints.
It really makes you think, what are the invisible blueprints shaping the way you see the world right now?